Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to prepare a TLM for class 10th class, of course CBSE board, and the topic is circles, but it is for any board we can use, ICSE, CBSE or state boards. So the TLM, like, I am preparing just one chart here. So in this chart, one circle I am drawing, and the definitions of circles like radius and then secant, all those I am drawing here, you can see. And a tangent, what is called tangent. So actually this chart is completely based on NCERT book, from that circles chapter and tangent of the circles. So on that topic I made it, and here I am shading all those major segments, minor segments, and then parts of the circles all in this diagram, you can see. And then I have made one question, and then four theorems are there. All those four theorems I am going to draw here. Just below side you can see there is a space there. So let us continue. Here sector of the circle and diameter, all the definitions I am writing with color pen. So after completing how it looks, I am going to share you. So let's have a look.